If you're looking to use ShopWired for your seasonal promotions, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive into how to make the most of ShopWired's features to boost your sales and streamline your seasonal campaigns. Stick around because at the end, I'll reveal an exclusive offer for you and show you even better alternatives. First things first, ShopWired is a powerful e-commerce platform that allows you to set up and run an online store with ease. It's known for its user-friendly interface and flexibility, but when it comes to seasonal promotions, there are a few key things you'll want to consider to get the best results. The first thing to know is how to create limited-time discounts and offers for your seasonal promotions. ShopWired makes it super simple to create discount codes that can be applied automatically or with a code during checkout. Whether you're offering a percentage off or a fixed amount, it's easy to set up time-sensitive deals. You can even schedule these offers to start and end at specific times, so you're ready to go for peak sales periods. Next, you'll want to leverage ShopWired's built-in email marketing tools. This is huge for seasonal promotions, as you can create personalized email campaigns to alert customers to your offers. You can segment your customer base, send targeted emails, and even automate follow-ups for customers who haven't completed their purchase yet. This way, you stay top of mind throughout the season, and you don't miss out on any potential sales. The third thing to mention is their integration with social media platforms. ShopWired allows you to easily connect with Facebook, Instagram, and more. This means you can run targeted ads for your seasonal sales directly from the platform. You can create posts and ads that highlight your limited time offers and bring in customers who are specifically looking for seasonal products. Next thing, make sure to take advantage of the ShopWired Analytics dashboard. It helps you track the performance of your seasonal promotions in real time, so you can see what's working and make adjustments quickly. Whether it's sales, traffic, or conversion rates, you'll have all the data you need to optimize your campaigns on the fly. The fifth thing is their customizable checkout process. When running seasonal promotions, you want the checkout experience to be as smooth and seamless as possible. ShopWired lets you customize this process, which can be a game changer for conversion rates during busy seasonal times. Whether it's adding a countdown timer or featuring your sale prominently during checkout, these touches can really push a customer to complete their purchase. Now, while ShopWired has a lot of great features for seasonal promotions, it's important to consider a few things. For example, some users have noted that while the platform is flexible, it can take time to get used to navigating the backend for more complex tasks. Plus, if you're running a particularly large promotion, the scalability could be a concern for some businesses that need more advanced integrations. Finally, here's the exciting part. You can get an exclusive and extended free trial of ShopWired through our link below. But that's not all. We've also found some alternatives that might actually serve you better for the goal of running seasonal promotions. These options provide even more flexibility, better analytics, and more intuitive user interfaces. And yes, they also come with free trials, so you can test them out yourself. So, if you're ready to take your seasonal promotions to the next level, check out ShopWired with the exclusive offer linked below, but don't forget to check out those alternatives too. You're not just getting access to ShopWired's features, you're getting access to the best tools for your business, with all the benefits for our viewers.